next topic is looking after your teeth. Looking after your teeth means if you have to look after your teeth. If you will eat too much of sugary or starchy food, then bacteria will form in your teeth. If bacteria is very small, we can't see with our naked eyes. With the help of microscope, we can see the bacteria. And this sugary and starchy food combine together and make a acid. That make a acid, and this acid, what happened? It eats our enamel. It eats away enamel. After that, it goes inside till our pulp. And when it entered till pulp, then what happened? Toothache started there, and very difficulties are there. So understood? So we have to avoid eating too much of sugary and starchy food. If you will eat too much of sugary and starchy food, then what happens? Bacteria will form in your teeth, and it will be very difficult for you. Then these two things, starchy and sugary food, they combine together and they make a acid. They make a acid, and what happens? This acid eat away your enamel of the teeth. This acid will eat the enamel of the teeth, and after that this will enter to your pulp. It will enter to your pulp, and after toothache will be there, and it will be very difficult for you all. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to tips for healthy teeth. Here are some tips for a healthy teeth. What you have to do to make your teeth, to keep your teeth proper way. First thing, you have to brush your teeth. You have to brush your teeth twice a day. Understood? Twice a day you have to brush your teeth. Rise your mouth after every meal. After eating anything, every meal you have to rise your mouth. Clear it is? Next one, eat healthy food. You have to eat healthy food and avoid sugary and starchy food. If you will eat sugary and starchy food, then what happened to you? Then bacteria will form. If you will eat too much of sugary and starchy food, bacteria will form, and if bacteria will form, then what happened? If bacteria will form, then this two sugary and starchy food will mix together and it will make one acid, and that acid will attack to your enamel. It will eat away your enamel, and after that it will enter to your pulp. When it will enter to your pulp, you will have a toothache. Aching will be there, and it will be very difficult for you. Okay? Then you have to, what is given? Healthy food. What you have to eat? A healthy food, and you have to avoid a sugary item. What you have to do? You have to avoid a sugary item. And after that, dental floss is there, one medicine. It is used to remove the food particles stuck between the teeth. So you have to use a dental floss because it will use to remove the food which is stuck between your teeth. And after that, what regularly you have to visit to the doctor for checkup, dentist for checkup of your teeth. Understood? So what is given here? Looking after, how you will look after your teeth. You have to avoid a sugary and starchy food. You have to avoid sugary and starchy food. If you will not avoid, then what happens? Bacteria will form. Bacteria will form, then the sugary and starchy food combined together, they will make what? Acid. They will make acid, and that acid will eat away your teeth enamel. Acid will eat away the enamel, then after that it will enter to your pulp. It will enter to your pulp, and teeth decay will start, and pain will be there, many things will be there. So here is some healthy tips. Here I have written some healthy tips. That tips, what is there? Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. Understood? You have to brush your teeth twice a day. Eat healthy food. What you have to eat? Healthy food, and avoid what thing? Sugary and starchy food. Understood? You have to avoid a sugary and starchy food, and you have to eat a healthy food. Then dental fossil, rise your mouth in every after every meal. Understood? Rise your mouth after every meal. Then dental fossil you have to use to remove the food particle which is stuck between the teeth. It is one type of medicine. You will use that. Why? Because it will remove the food particles stuck between the teeth. Understood? And after that, regularly you have to visit to the dentist for regular checkup of your teeth. Clear it is? So teeth part is over. What you have learned, structure of teeth. Next, what you have learned, looking after your teeth and how many types of teeth are there, looking after your teeth and tips for healthy teeth. Okay student, bye bye student. Again I will meet.